This video is on ICS and SCADA. We have information technology and operational technology. OT, or operational technology, encompasses the computing systems that manage industrial operations. This includes monitoring of oil and gas, electric utility grid, manufacturing operations, traffic lights, water plants, and so on. Simply put, operational technology allows electricity to turn on in your house or clean water to come out of your faucet. Industrial control system is a major segment within the operational technology sector. It comprises systems that are used to monitor and control industrial processes. This could be mine site conveyor belts, oil refinery cracking towers, power consumption on electricity grids, and so on. ICSs are typically mission-critical applications with high availability requirements. ICS, or industrial control systems, are often managed via supervisory control and data acquisition SCADA systems that provides a graphical user interface for operators to easily observe the status of a system, receive any alarms indicating out-of-band operation, or to enter system adjustments to manage the process under control. Critical area of SCADA is data acquisition. PLCs, RTUs, and other sensors connected to SCADA systems collect data that help plant supervisors make critical decisions based on real-time information. PLC is just a small modular solid-state computer with customized instructions for performing a particular task. Supervisors only need to look at the human-machine interface HMIs, where the different functions and data elements of SCADA systems are presented for human review and control. This is to specifically provide supervisory level control over machinery and or industrial processes that span a wide geographical area like an energy plant. Unfortunately, SCADA systems oversee a large number of devices, sensors, and software, which equates to a wider attack surface. HMI, for example, human-machine interface, displays data from various sensors and machines connected to a SCADA system to help users make decisions that they can also implement using the same interface. Because of this capability and role in SCADA systems, HMIs can be ideal target for potential threat actors aiming to gain control over processes or steal critical information. Mobile applications are also used both locally and through tablets that help engineers control PLCs and RTUs, and remotely allowing engineers to connect to ICS through the internet. However, this widens the attack surface for attackers. Also, communication protocols such as Modbus help control different mechanisms supervised by SCADA systems, but they lack the security capabilities to defend the threats that SCADA systems now attract. Basically, through vulnerabilities in communication protocols like this, threat actors can cause damage or lead to malfunction of a SCADA system should they modify the data sent from PLCs and RTUs or tamper with the firmware. There are countless technologies in place to make individual parts of SCADA systems stay connected, dynamic, and work in real time, but some of these components are ill-equipped for threats currently faced by different industries. Most of these vulnerabilities are addressed by respective vendors. But aside from patching, organizations must also maintain security measures that can defend against cyber attacks. Here's some of the National Institute of Standard and Technology Guide to ICS Security. Use virtual patching to help manage updates and patches, apply network segmentation, use adequate security measures between the ICS network and corporate network, properly manage authorization and user accounts, use endpoint protection on engineering workstations connected to SCADA for device programming and control, use endpoint protection on engineering workstations connected to SCADA for device programming and control adjustments, and maintain strict policies for devices that are allowed to connect to SCADA networks, restrict the roles of transitory SCADA nodes to a single purpose, and prevent the use of unknown or untrusted USB devices.